Hi, my name is Hugo Madeira. I'm a dentist, and in this short video I will share how patients and celebrities advocate your practice. First of all, it's important to make the following questions. How can I improve word of mouth marketing? How can I create a memorable customer experience? How can I start working with celebrities or endorsers? And how can I use endorsers to deliver my messages? In this course, I will share the following. A creation of a great customer experience will lead to a biggest chance of a patient advocate your practice. Examples of great feedback on my social networks regarding client experience. Identify the right celebrity or endorser to work with your clinic. Generate and identify the right endorser to disseminate your service. And some examples of how much awareness a good endorser can bring to your practice. Creating a great customer experience will lead to a biggest chance of a patient to advocate your practice. One of the best and more traditional ways to generate brand awareness is by having clients sharing their experience with friends and family. This leads us to how important is the experience that clients have in your clinic. In my clinic, we provide our clients with a highly customized and involved service. It's very important to us that they take home a positive experience and feel they are special in every way possible. Here are some aspects to consider about customer experience that will help you to deliver it properly. First, having a modern, beautiful clinic that actually does not look like as a clinic, but more like a luxury lobby hotel. Second, staff behavior should be similar to hospitality service in order to provide a great experience and avoid consultation stress. Third, calling patients by their names. This builds trust and sense of belonging. Fourth, make patients come to the clinic the least possible number of times. Fifth, be equipped with technological devices that show patients a new way of going to the dentist. They must sense that you own cutting-edge technology like digital smile design, 3D scanners, etc. 6. Always show patients that you have the clinical situation 100% controlled. And 7. Smile and show the importance of smiling. Social networks are the new way for the patients to share their experience. Our social networks are a mix of patients and potential patients that first tend to share their feedbacks and their experience on posts. The second group are reading very carefully the current patients and experience, and this can work as a call to action. Here are some examples of great feedback of our followers regarding their customer experience. It is very important that your customer service generates this type of comments as they work as patient advocacy. We have highlighted and translated some examples. Identifying the right celebrity or endorser to work with your clinic. Working with celebrities is another way to have opinion leaders advocating your services and your practice. Having celebrities with perfect teeth and having them sharing their experience in your clinic will generate attraction for your services, and going to your clinic will become aspirational. Creating a brand that is sexy and cool will make new clients' experience even more special. But you can never forget to keep high levels of the whole experience. When you achieve a high level of standard practice, this will generate more awareness, as patients will share their experience with more friends and possibly post some pictures of the clinic on their social networks. That generate and identify the right endorsers to disseminate your practice. Example of how much awareness a good endorser can bring to your practice. Identifying the right celebrities is crucial for the success of this PR strategy. and the key factors for identifying the right celebrities. What service or treatment do you want to disseminate? Knowing the celebrity's audience, age gap and the groups they impact, the amount of followers and engagement. This is one of the most important aspects you should analyze before working with a celebrity. Number of followers is not the same as engagement. Followers is the exact number of users that follow you. Engagement is the calculation that combines the numbers of followers with the number of interactions you will have in your posts. The values that celebrity advocate in their life. It is very important that the endorsers you work with advocate values and the lifestyle that include health and aesthetics. Calculate the ROI, the return on investment. If you are going to sponsor a celebrity treatment or a discount, you need to consider how much this is going to cost you versus the number of users that you are going to reach. Example, if you want to sell teeth whitening, which is a less costly and aesthetic service, you must pick someone who normally talks about aesthetical aspects on their social networks and have a big and very wide public. In this picture, you can see the results of a post done by an actress, Jessica Ataid. Patient advocacy was always something brands worried about, because this was the first way to generate brand awareness. When you create an excellent customer experience, patients will more than likely share their experience with friends and family. Friends and family will be directly influenced because they trust the person who is providing them with this information. Building trust has always to be your goal and your work aim. If you have your clients' trust, they will become loyal. Another way to reach new potential patients is by communicating with endorsers. You should never forget to carefully identify your endorsers, and the best timing to start working with them is when you already have a fully satisfying customer journey process. If a celebrity recommends you to their public and the experience is not as good as they hoped, the celebrity will lose credibility and you lose the good relationship with the new patients and with the celebrity. Thank you for watching this video.